Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn a new lesson in GK from your second semester book. Lesson number 1, Beautiful Blooms, means beautiful flowers. In this chapter, we will learn the names of the beautiful flowers. So let's read. Flowers are the finest gift from God to humankind. फ्लावर्स क्या है? गॉड के द्वारा दिया गया सबसे फाइनेस्ट गिफ्ट है, मीन्स सबसे अच्छा गिफ्ट है. दे मेक अवर वर्ल्ड ब्यूटिफुल विथ देयर ब्राइट कलर्स, प्लेजेंट अरोमास एंड अट्रैक्टिव लुक्स. और वो हमारे वर्ल्ड को ब्यूटीफुल बनाते हैं. और कैसे ब्यूटीफुल बनाते हैं? उनके ब्राइट कलर से, प्लेजेंट अरोमा से, मीन्स उनकी जो फ्रेगनेंस होती है, एंड अट्रैक्टिव लुक से. वी सी डिफरेंट वेराइटीज ऑफ फ्लावर्स ग्रोइंग इन गार्डन्स एंड सोल्ड इन मैनी प्लेसेस. हम डिफरेंट वेराइटीज़ के फ्लावर्स को गार्डन में ग्रो होते हुए देखते हैं और ये फ्लावर्स डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पर सेल किए जाते हैं, मीन्स बेचे जाते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Unscramble the words to get the names of these flowers. Look at the first flower. What is the name of this flower? The name of this flower is marigold. This is marigold. We all have seen this flower. We use this flower in our festivals and marriages to decorate our home. Okay. So what is the spelling of marigold? M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. Okay. Now second one. Which flower is this? This is lotus. This is lotus. Okay. And you all know that lotus is the national flower of India. Lotus is the national flower of which country? Lotus is the national flower of India. Okay. And what is the spelling of lotus? Lotus, lotus. Now third one. Which flower is this? This is lily. This is lily. And lily have many colors like orange, white, yellow, pink, etc. Okay. And what is the spelling of lily? Lily, lily. Okay. Now fourth one. Which flower is this? This is tulip. This is tulip. And tulips are known for their bold colors and beautiful shapes. They have many colors: red, pink, yellow or white. Okay. So what is the spelling of tulip? Tulip. Tulip. Okay. Now fifth one. Which flower is this? This is jasmine. This is jasmine. Okay. And jasmine has a very sweet smell. And what is the spelling of jasmine? Jasmine. Jasmine. Okay. Now sixth one. Which flower is this? This is dahlia. This is dahlia. And dahlia is the national flower of Mexico. Dahlia is the national flower of Mexico. Okay. And what is the spelling of dahlia? Dahlia. Dahlia. Okay. Now seventh one. Which flower is this? This is daisy. This is daisy. And what is the spelling of daisy? Daisy. Daisy. Okay. Now next one. Which flower is this? This is gladiolus. This is gladiolus. And what is the spelling of gladiolus? Gladiolus. Gladiolus. Now once again let us revise the names of the flowers. Okay. First one is marigold. This is lotus. This is lily. And this is tulip. This is jasmine. This is dahlia. And this is daisy. And this is gladiolus. I hope students you understood this lesson. Now we will move on to our next lesson. Lesson number 2, silken tales. Okay, in this chapter we are going to learn about silk and different types of silk. Okay, now what is silk? Silk क्या होता है? Silk is a soft, smooth fiber that is made from threads produced by an insect like a silkworm. Silk fibers are very strong and are often used to make clothes. Okay, and how many different types of silk? There are 4 types of natural silk. They are Muga silk, Eri silk, Tussar silk and Mulberry silk. Okay, and we all love to wear silk on special occasions and festivals. Yes? Okay, so let's read. India is the second largest producer of silk after China. Okay, which country is the largest producer of silk in the world? China is the largest producer of silk in the world. And which is the second largest country producer of silk in the world? India is the second largest country producer of silk in the world. Okay, don't we all love to wear silk on special occasions? Using the help box, try and name the following types of silks found in India. So, first one. This is a type of silk produced exclusively in Assam. This is Muga silk. This is Muga silk. And what is the spelling of Muga silk? M-U-G-A-S-I-L-K, Muga silk. Now, second one. This silk is made by not killing the silkworm, hence it is also called Ahimsa silk. This is Eri silk. This is Eri silk. And Ahimsa is a Hindi word which means non-violence. And why it is called Ahimsa silk? Because it is produced without harming or killing the silkworms. It is produced by caterpillars which feed on castor plant. So it is also known as peace silk or non-violent silk. Okay. Now third one. This silk is also known as wild silk. This is tussar silk. Tussar silk is known as wild silk. And why it is called wild silk? Because it is produced from wild silkworms. Okay. And what is the spelling of tussar silk? T-U-S-S-A-R, tussar, S-I-L-K, silk. Now, fourth one. This silk thread is the strongest natural fiber in the world. This is mulberry silk. This is mulberry silk. Mulberry silk's thread is the strongest natural fiber in the world. Okay. Now, let us learn something more about silk from around the world. Okay. So, read first one. Silk from spiders. जो सिल्क हमें स्पाइडर से मिलता है. Okay. Spider silk is a non-insect silk variety that is soft and fine in texture. What do you mean by texture? Texture means the feel of a surface like rough, tough, smooth or hard. Okay, and it is the most difficult silk to produce as spiders cannot be bred like silkworms and do not produce as much yarn as silkworms. Okay, so spider silk एक नॉन इंसेक्ट सिल्क होता है जिसका टेक्सचर कैसा होता है? सॉफ्ट एंड फाइन. ओके, एंड स्पाइडर सिल्क को प्रोड्यूस करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है बिकॉज ये सिल्क वॉर्म की तरह प्रोड्यूस नहीं होते हैं और ये सिल्क वॉर्म की तरह यार्न भी प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सिल्क फ्रॉम सी। सिल्क फ्रॉम सी, जो सिल्क हमें सी से मिलता है। ओके, सी से हमें कौन सा सिल्क मिलता है? मसल सिल्क। मसल सिल्क इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम अ बाइवल्व found in shallow waters along the shores of the Italia and Dalmatia of Adriatic. Okay, what do you mean by mussel? Mussel is a type of small sea animal, a shellfish with a black shell in two parts. Okay, and what do you mean by bivalve? Bivalve means having a shell composed of टू वेल्व्स। ओके, सो मसल सिल्क हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? बाइवेल्व से, जो शैलो वाटर में पाए जाते हैं। और कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? अलोंग द शोर्स ऑफ द इटालिया एंड डलमाटिया एंड ऑफ एड्रियाटिक। एड्रियाटिक इज अ सी। ओके, इस सी शोर पे क्या पाए जाते हैं? मसल सिल्क। नाउ, सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सी शोर? Seashore means the part of the land that is next to the sea. Okay, it is often called the sea silk. इसे sea silk भी कहा जाता है। It is produced by mussels found on the seabed. What do you mean by seabed? Seabed means the floor of a sea or a ocean. Okay, इसे सी सिल्क भी कहा जाता है। क्यों कहा जाता है सी सिल्क? क्योंकि ये मसल से प्रोड्यूस होते हैं और ये मसल्स कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? ऑन द सी बेड। ओके, सो मसल्स आर सी क्रीचर्स दैट हैव टू शेल्स बाइवेल्व्स। ओके, नाउ सिल्क फ्रॉम सिल्क वॉर्म। सिल्क जो हमें किससे मिलता है? सिल्क वॉर्म से मिलता है। ओके, दिस इज अ कॉमन टाइप ऑफ सिल्क। एंड कौन सा सिल्क मिलता है हमें सिल्क वॉर्म से? अनाफे सिल्क। ओके, अनाफे सिल्क इज कॉमनली प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द सदर्न एंड सेंट्रल अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज। अनाफे सिल्क मेनली कहाँ प्रोड्यूस होता है? सदर्न एंड सेंट्रल अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज में प्रोड्यूस होता है। ओके, एंड द फैब्रिक मेड आउट ऑफ अनाफे सिल्क is elastic and stronger than mulberry silk. And what do you mean by elastic? Elastic means a material with rubber in it and which can stretch. Okay, so इस अनाफे सिल्क से बना हुआ फैब्रिक कैसा होता है? इलास्टिक होता है और स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है। किससे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है? मलबरी सिल्क से बने हुए फैब्रिक से ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है। ओके, लेट अस रिवाइज वंस अगेन। हाउ मैनी टाइप्स ऑफ सिल्क आर देयर? देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सिल्क देयर। फर्स्ट इज बुगा सिल्क, एरी सिल्क, टसर सिल्क एंड मलबरी सिल्क। ओके, this is a type of silk produced exclusively in Assam. This is Muga silk, and this silk is made by not killing the silkworm, hence it is also called ahimsa silk. Ahimsa means non-violence. Okay, this is Eri silk, ERISILK, Eri silk. Okay, now third one. This silk is also known as wild silk. This is tussar silk. TUSSAR, tussar, SILK, silk, tussar silk. Now fourth one. This silk thread is the strongest natural fiber in the world. This is mulberry silk. This is mulberry silk. MULBERRY, mulberry, SILK, मलबरी सिल्क। ओके, और सिल्क हमें डिफरेंट प्लेस से मिलता है, जैसे सिल्क फ्रॉम स्पाइडर्स, सिल्क फ्रॉम द सी एंड सिल्क फ्रॉम सिल्क वॉर्म्स। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द लेसन. ट्राई टू लर्न इट. थैंक यू. स्टे हैप्पी, स्टे सेफ.